There are some things I just can't control, like the weather, and finally I've got a sunny day to be able to show you the way this finished. But I'm sorry I've got machinery out in the back in the form of lawnmowers, because of course everyone's jumping on the sunny day and wanting to do their lawns out here. Look, I had a massive accident on this piece as it was drying. It took so long to dry. It took over a week to dry, and I tell you, my finger, can you hear that? It still feels really tacky. But nonetheless, the thing that we're looking for is the way that that gold is shimmering. We really like that. And the blue in there is beautiful. And look at that sheen that it's naturally got. And the effects, look, two little dragons sitting up. And a finger that went through to try and take off some dust that fell, and it looked dry but it wasn't. Some nice swirls. And that's how this glorious piece finished up. And oh, getting heavy to hold. Will I do this experiment again? Oh, you bet you I will. Just not sure when. I've got a lot on. So I'm so glad that you all enjoyed that, and that's the end result. Sorry it took so long to get up for you though. Have fun, my creative friends.